Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to VCT Crypto Community. So guys, I'm here back again with a fabulous project Rift token. So let's start that way. Before starting that we see a small disclaimer. I'm not here financial advisor. This is not an investment advisor. Make sure to do your research before any investment. All links provided in immediate exception. You can check out here a bold new approach. A Web3 project like no other, a token for speculators, a cross-chain game for competitive game, and influencer to earn an approach to the token economics. First of all, you need to connect your wallet like MetaMask wallet. Connect Phantom, which wallet you using, it's depend on you. Already played one game, you can click on play beta. You can also play the game and leaderboard. Buy Tift coin pre-sale LP2 as live. First of all, you can check out total is $9,20,700 price to 0.0007 launch price. You can also check out 0.00087 pre-sale. Progress lab 2, you can also check out the draft, and you can buy this network Ethereum, BNB, Polygon, and then click on BNB and pay with BNB. First of all, I tell about other features, then I tell you how to buy this project on the pre-sale. First of all, you can check out the strong thing, 50 years combined Web3 experience, $50 million raised, 800 million project team has worked. You can check out the team and also click on the roadmap. After clicking the roadmap, you can check out phase 1. First of all, phase 1 pre-sale web 2.0 live v1 game playable first and gold vested on board. Telegram open organized Twitter AMS pre-sale warm up 2. You can also check out this is pre-sale 2 top 3 investor pre-sale warm up, and you can also check out phase 2 is coming soon, and this is phase 1, and you can also check out pre-sale 30, and you can also see the token economics here. Token supply election breakdown pre-sales 57% LP to 21%, reverse tank 13%, burn 5%, ambassador 4%, tax billion. You can liquidity realization 1%, revenue share 1%, and here you can see the game pool to 3%, total 5%. Pre-sale use for first international LP 44%, marketing 2.8 to 28%, development 70%, listing and partnership 11%. You can also check out Drift pre-sale drop. This is Ethereum, BNB, Smart Chain, and Polygon. Twitter, Telegram, YouTube, all links provided here. You can also check out a white paper. So simply download the white paper. You can check out Drift without white paper. You can also check out. So table of contents, ambassador, introduction, market analysis, the game of payout, blockchain integration, staking and reward, token economics, the pre-sale roadmap, security, the team, and the disclaimer. First of all, you can check out the abstract. You can also check out the white paper online detail. So first of all, scroll down. This is introduction about the project. You can also check out the market analysis. This is market analysis of this project. So simply scroll down, you can check out the more information about this project. So I'm scrolling. You can also check out Play Doh and P2A game, NFT, non-fungible token, metaverse integration, and here you can see that the game payout preset, and you can also check out entry fee distribution. You can also check out the distribution, and here you can see every detail is provided with the informative in the game with mechanics. You can also check out event if it's $30 winning, Drift King 40%, top 10 33%, top 13 27%, and here you can see the all information with valid detail. So let's start the let's see. You can see 27 pages white paper. You can also check out the all information with them very detailed, and here you can see that they are Ethereum, Polygon, Zilla, Polygon, Empire, and more. So simply scroll down, you can check out preservative multi-chain payout presets, and I'm scrolling down. You can also check out the studio token. So it's very big white paper of this project because it's a very amazing project. You can also check out the staking and reward holders. Drift, we are not gamers able to stake Drift, sharing the price pool. 70% of game revenue is paid off the racer with the perform, while the other 30% is retain game revenue from. You can also check out token economics of this project, ambassador, pre-sale, and total supply. You can also 10 billion, and buy and sale tax is just 5%, and here you can scroll down. You can check out the pre-sale about this project. The Drift pre-sale will be take place over 4 international potential rounds, and here you can see the NFT and every detail is here. So simply chart warm up, lap 1, lap 2, and LP marketing total detail is the roadmap. You can also check out the roadmap. So simply scroll down, you can check out the security of this project, and the end of the project here. Here you can see the disclaimer of this project: participation, Drift, the token sale, and Saudi Arabia, United States, Saudi and Russia, North Korea, Iran, Iran, Afghanistan, and Libya. So now talk about the Twitter about this project. Simply click on try again. So I think some network issue, that's why not opening. And then if you want to follow on Twitter, simply click on Twitter option, then follow it. So I think my internet issue, so that's why it's not opening. You can also subscribe the YouTube channel here, then press the bell icon for notify our all updates and videos, and simply follow the telegram channel. You can check out this is Drift portal. Simply you need to verify and then you can join the group. So it's very easy method. So how to buy this project? It's very easy method to buy this project. First of all, you need to connect your wallet. After connecting the wallet, this is if I click on disconnect and my wallet will be disconnect, then you need to click on connect wallet. MetaMask, Phantom, Trust wallet, which wallet you using, it's depend on you. So simply enter your pay with BNB how much you want to buy this token. So simply I enter the amount here. If I want to buy with the 1 BNB, you can check out I get 5,91,176, and you can also check out ambassador code, and I click on buy pre-sale. After staking, if you want to stake minimum 120%, if you want to stake, you can also the stake and then click on buy with pre-sale. Clicking the buy with pre-sale insufficient for I don't have any funds in my wallet. If you have funds, you can buy this project. Learn about the utility. You can also check out the utility, stake and hold, hodl, buy, stake for each and specification, and you can check out review, tournament, advertising, partnership. You can also check out marketing strategy, and here you can see ETH returns taking 2 and 70%, 10%, and here you can see 1,50,000, and here you can see the starting reward 1,50,000, return 120%, and here you can see stake drift. If you want to stake your drift, you can also check it, and here you can see all information. If you want to become ambassador, simply click on become ambassador. You can also click on play beta, and you can also check out the play beta here. So it's very easy method. You can check on ambassador. If you want to buy ambassador, round king 10,000, second place 70,000, and third place you can also check out the all information, drift, posts, events, and drift. So first of all, you can check out the activities. You can also check out the Twitter account. So my Twitter account is not opening, I don't know why. So but if you follow the Twitter account, you'll be updated the information. So here you can see the some posts of this project. You can also become invested in the project, and here you can see the game is loading. You can also play the beta. I'm not playing, so I think it's some copyright issue. So this is very easy method to you like this video. So if I open this video, you can check out like this. You can play and click on play beta. You can play the game easily. So I hope you understand everything. If you have any question, do a comment in our video. We will reply you soon. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.